A potato-based face mask will not only brighten your skin due to the presence of vitamin C, but the antioxidants present in potatoes will save you from premature aging. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY potato face mask for glowing skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of gram flour. It's a natural exfoliant that provides an even skin tone. It deeply cleanses and brightens your skin. Gram flour contains zinc that fights dark spots, reduces blemishes, and early signs of aging. Pinch of turmeric powder. Applying turmeric to your face can help calm skin rashes, lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation, treat acne, and brighten skin tone. 2 teaspoons of potato juice. Potatoes contain azelaic acid, which is known for its skin brightening properties. Using potato slices or juice on your skin can reduce the appearance of scars, blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and neck, and let it sit for 15 minutes before washing it off. Repeat twice or thrice a week, and you're good to go.